Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 31st, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's take a quick look at these charts and see what we see. And I'll go ahead and maximize this quarterly chart, resize it, and what we see is green. We're still above the yearly pivot. We're still green, beginning to form maybe a doji up here near the top. So again, just be mindful of what's going on here on these lower time frames. Let's go ahead and go down to this monthly time frame and see what we see here. On the monthly time frame, we're still bullish here also. And we're still above the 9-10 moving average. We're still above pivot. We're still hanging out above this quarterly pivot and all. And we are still looking very bullish, even though we had quite a bit of selling pressure here just recently. So be mindful of that. We couldn't break this quarterly or 1 yet and make all-time highs. So be mindful, be mindful, be mindful. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here. And this is where you're beginning to see the noise, on the weekly chart, what's going on here. On this weekly chart, what we are seeing is we had this high here, and we haven't been able to break it. We couldn't even get close before, and we ended up going down. Last week we came a little bit above there and got above these highs, but this time again when we came up here on this weekly picture, we ended up getting some selling pressure. And that's what I'm seeing. We got an evening start, but it's a green candle evening start. Let's see what happens there. We can see if we can get any confirmation and coming down here and bouncing off this monthly monthly support 1, but we're going to be opening above pivot, right here, this level here. I expect us to open somewhere above there, and if we can even get close to this monthly R1 resistance level, still is not going to give us all-time high. So again, it might be a couple of months before we start seeing all-time highs. So maybe I got to stop talking about all-time highs. And again, this market look like it might be stuck in a range, and what's that? That's 540, and we're down to 500, and that's a pretty wide range for the Qs, but it is what it is. The Qs within a week does move pretty good. I can see 25 points there that it moved, these couple of big candles here and back over here. So a 40-point range is a pretty safe range. No trade representation. If anybody start thinking I'm talking about something else, but just pointing out the ranges that we see here, and that's all I can see there on this weekly picture. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and see what we see there, and wrap this on up. And daily noise, wrap it on up. And daily noise is just that. It's kind of crazy looking here too when you really look at it. And let me zoom again. We got the high back here. Let me just see if I can zoom here just mainly on this. But what I'm seeing some zigzag, and I'm seeing this market go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, gap down, go back up. So what do you expect? Again, on this daily picture right here, we're having a hard time, getting above any of the supply right here. Every time we get close to that supply, this market is just pushing back down, as you can see here. That's what's happening, and that's what even happened today. We got close to the supply, and we got to push back down. And that's pretty much it. That's what I'm seeing here. Hope you guys still had a great week, though. There's always a lot of trading to be done out here, just pay attention to your trading plans and your trading strategies and your indicators. Hope they're not failing you. Just stick to your plans. Stick to what you already know and trade accordingly. That's it. Nothing else to share here. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.